going on, guys? So if you notice, scenery's a little bit different, and that is because on May 7th, 2015, I went out to a place and shot a video that ended up being my most viewed video on my entire channel. Almost at 1 million views. You guys probably know it. It's extreme herping. Well, today, May 24th, 2019, 5 years later, a little over, we're gonna go back to that place. But in 4K quality. Got the GoPro, got this camera, and yeah, weather's looking perfect for the water snakes to be out. Maybe we can get some under a big rock like we did last time. I don't know, but I'm excited. I'm so pumped. It's gonna be a good one. You don't want to miss it. All right, guys, we are here, and yeah, pretty excited. Not gonna lie, it's been forever since I've been out here, so I'm not really sure. I see a sign. It says no something, but it's in a language I don't understand. So I don't know what to do with that. So, looks like the water is kind of up. Not a lot though. Yeah, I'm gonna go straight down over that way. I've done this before, so let's do it. Oh God, that's nerve-wracking. Okay, I don't remember how exactly I got down. It was not that overgrown before. I should have just climbed the fence right in that area. Probably. All right, well, let's just do it this way. Oh man. Crawling for herps. Yep. Looks like this could be a potentially good little area. How am I gonna get back up? That's gonna be a good question. Oh wow. I did not think that through. I did not think that through at all. That is a drop. That is a drop. Huh? Just don't want to land weird and like twist my ankle or something. You know? Let's give it a shot. Okay. That was mildly terrifying. Whew. It's flipping. Oh God, it stinks. Holy crap, does it reek over here. Good God. I'm trying to remember where exactly that one big rock was. It doesn't look like it's rained much over here, so I'm not 100% sure what kind of luck we're gonna have. But we're here, and we're doing it. I think that was the crazy rock from extreme herping. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure. Nobody. Good Lord. No, nobody here. Nobody there. Oh, snakes. Where are you at? Not there. Not there. Not there. Oh, good Lord. Where are they? What is happening, guys? Man, this place brings back some memories, doesn't it? Go. Nope. Let's see. This is a big rock. Let's see. Dang, nothing. Alright. Well, keep searching, I guess. Yeah, a bunch of big rocks over here, so there should be some potential. Nope. Well, alright guys, it might not be the biggest little dude in the world, but it is a northern. I flipped right under here, so I didn't get the live flip, but yeah, he is. Look at that patterning. I know you're gonna bite me. You gonna bite me? Oh god. You got an attitude now? You got an attitude? Yeah? You're a fiery little thing, aren't you? Yeah, you are. You're alright. You're okay. You stop that. You stop that. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna let this little guy go. We got something, though. He is adorable. He is cute. What are you doing? Okay, there you go, buddy. Alright. Cool, we got one. We got one. That's saying something. I knew they were here. Unfortunately, I was hoping there would be more, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. I was kind of fooling myself coming out here thinking that we were gonna have, oh, look, a little frog. A little green frog right here. Hey, buddy, come here. Or jump on my shoe. That's cool too. You do you, buddy. Alright, let's see. We had that one right there, so maybe this place potentially has a little bit more life than I originally thought it did. No, down there doesn't have a lot of rocks to flip. So, let's see what we got under here. Nothing. Poo. I don't know where this goes, so we're kind of just gonna do some exploring. See what hey, anybody? Okay. Nope. Nobody there. Now this is some tricky herping. Opens up over here. Alright. Sometimes, guys, you gotta go in places like these where you're just like, okay, not necessarily like that. Probably should have just went along the wall. But, you know, it is what it is. I don't know what is over here at all. So, this is interesting. I feel like I've walked through here. Already passed this spot? Or someone did. I'm trying to see if I see any rocks. I hear water. So that's a good sign. I need to go through there. Oh! Ow, ow, ow. What's my best route? Looks like through here. It looked like through there. Okay. Alright, get back out here. Ow! Also guys, you're not really herping if you don't hurt yourself at least 27 times. And yes, that's an exact number. These are my endless amounts of painful research. There's a trail up there. I gotta go get back to Winchester, so I'm gonna have to probably call it a short one, which is not what I wanted to do at all. Let's see, anybody home? Nope. Anybody home? Nope. That was too far in the ground. Anybody home? No. Oh, goodness. Yeah. Let's see what's up here then, I reckon. There's trash. It's hot, guys, let me tell you what. It is a hot one. That it is. Scare any drivers just popping out here. Woo! Hey. There we go. Awesome. Alright guys, well that's unfortunately I have to do it for today. Sorry if it was a short one. We only found the one thing, but you know, I came out here with the expectations of like having another extreme herping video, but you know, that's just not the reality of herping. The reality of herping is you can go out, find in one spot, find tons of stuff, go the same spot 5 years later, and only found one. So it's just it's what it is. You know, it is what it is. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe if you're new, and check out my other channels. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm gonna be coming back here soon for sure, but I'm gonna make sure I time it out better because I am running a little late for having to be back into Tennessee. So still had fun, can't complain.